Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and share to Instagram from your FaceApp application. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official FaceApp application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for FaceApp, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started with uploading photos either from our camera roll or directly from our gallery. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to select and edit photos that we can share to Instagram. So once you have uploaded your photo, it's going to appear in the menu right here. We can go ahead and open it up and get started with editing. This is going to open up this editor menu where we can get started with selecting how we want the photo to look. So once you're satisfied with your editing and you want to go ahead and share it to Instagram, what you need to do is go right here into the upper right corner and click on the save button. Once you click on save, it's going to save it to your gallery, and now you're going to go ahead and be able to share it to wherever you prefer. So here in the upper right corner, you're going to see this share button. Once you click this share button, it's going to open up all the applications that you can share it with. So you can either download it to your device directly and then upload it to Instagram that way, or you can share it directly from the application using the share button and put it on your story, send it to chats and so on. But basically that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.